you can import one of the Jupyter notebooks that we will share with you. You go to File, you click Open File, and then you select a notebook. So you can recognize Jupyter notebooks because they have this extension. So IPy notebook. You select the notebook, you click Open, and you should see the content. So a Jupyter notebook consists of blocks or cells. There are cells with markdown, with text, and that's what you can see here. And there are also cells that contain code, and that's what you see here. And the cells that contain code, it's always indicated what kind of code, because you can also use notebooks for running R code, for instance. So here we have Python code. How can you run the code? Well, there is a run button here. Execute the cell. And they also contain the output of the code. However, before you can see output here, you will have to select the kernel. When you click the execute cell, you see here that he's not actually doing it, but you get something here. He's asking you for a kernel. So a kernel is basically a program that he can use for interpreting the code. So in this case, he needs Python because it's Python code, and he also needs Jupyter because it's a Jupyter notebook. So how can we give him a kernel that contains both Python and Jupyter? Well, we can ask him to use one of our Python environments. Then you see a list of all the environments that you have on your computer. I have a lot, as you can see. We need this one, the Conda environment that you created for this course. So when you select this one, you will make some adjustments, and you see that now he is indeed running the code. Now we see the result of the code here under the code block. So you can add cells if you want to. That's these buttons here at the top. You can add a cell with code, and you can add a cell with text. You can run the whole notebook if you want to. And you can also ask him to clear all the outputs. So I have run this block. When you run a block, you see the output of that block. If I no longer want to see the output, I can click clear all outputs, and then you see that the output has disappeared. So I will share Jupyter notebooks with you for the Python training, and also for the spatial trainings we are sharing Jupyter notebooks. So try to open one of these notebooks in VS Code and try to run a cell, and let me know if it doesn't work.